Nofri. Welcome in a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. Today's lecture we are going to talk about the subjunctive. Subjunctive is similar to the subjunctive in French and Italian and other Latin language. It indicates an opinion. I think so, or I would do so. So we use the subjunctive form. It has no tense. So differently than the Latin languages where the subjunctive is a present subjunctive and past subjunctive. In Coptic, the main clause, the main sentence, is having a tense, and the following by nature follow it in the same tense. So its composition is made by int plus the pronoun. So for me, inta, intik, inte, intif, intes, inten, intetin, into, or inte plus noun plus verb. معنى I would, you would, he would, she would, we would, you would, and they would. For example, and this structure usually preceded by some words indicating it. So we find hina, it means so as to or in order to. Hobos, it means so as to or in order to. Mi boti, for fear of or so as not to. Mi bos, for fear of so as not to. Tote, then. Hoste, so as to. Imiti, unless. Evil, except for. Emberkas, watch out. Sha, it means until. And J, so as to. Is she, it's a must. Hoti, it's a necessary. Ananki, it means it's a necessary. Ekriya, it's needed. Onishgom, it's possible. Monishgom, it's not possible. Nanis, it means it's good. Isri, so as to make. Shante means still. An example: Fajtir afshobi hina intif gukivol injegom. So we read this fi tirf all af shobi, it was hina, the indication of the subjunctive, and then we add intif because it talks about the thing or the topic, so the pronoun is he, so we made intif. Gokevol, the verb following it in the subjunctive, intif gokevol, so in order to it would be completed. Nigom, the books. Mata moi hina inta I ho inta oshtemov. Mata moi, it means tell me. Hina, so as to or in order to. Inta, I would. I come. Ho, also. Inta, I would. O osht, bo or Neil. Mov, to him. Isna iri owo intif ti izvo fai ev moti. Irof jebi nishti خنتي متقولوا انتي نفقوي. Es, who, na, will, iri, do, uwo, and, intif, he would, ti isvo, teach, fi, this, if a, indication of passive voice, muti, cold, irof, him, je, that, be, the, nishti, great, chen, in, Timitoro, the kingdom, Inti, of, Ni, the few heavens. So we found here that the tense is in the future and it didn't change. And here is an imperative and it didn't change also. Here it was in past and it didn't change. So the subjunctive doesn't change, whatever the tense, and it remains as is. We have also a variation of it. Sha'inta means so that I would. Sha'intik, sha'inte, sha'intif, sha'intis, sha'intit, sha in tatin, sha in tu. A variation of it also, shati, it means so that I would, shatik, so that you would, shati, so that you would, shate, so he would, shates, so that she would, shatin, so that we would, shatitin, so that we would, shatu, so that they would. You can find today's lecture on CSE channel, and you find it in archive.org, Coptic channel, it's Coptic educational channel, and you can find it in Arabic and in English, and you can find the fonts used on archive /details /Coptic language /Coptic. Oshie Mahmoud, thanks. Shatina Birutin Khin Neo. Until seeing you next lesson.